Hello friends, in this video we will discuss employment news weekly 28 August to 3rd September 2021 in details in English. Dear subscribers, if you want to see this employment newspaper of this week in shorts in English, link has been given in the description box. And dear subscribers, if you want to see this employment newspaper in a Rozgar Samachar Patra of this week in Hindi, in shorts and in Hindi in details, links have been given in the description box. Welcome to Rozgar News with Mahinder Singh. You are watching employment news of this week. On this channel, you will get employment news, current affairs and job notification. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Without any delay, let's start employment news. So friends, let's start employment news weekly New Delhi 28 August to 3rd September 2021 in details. Celebrating the hockey wizards Major Dhyan Chand, National Sports Day special. Careers in Animation Industry by Mandar Dattatray Digrajkar. Today's Inside Story highlights of Prime Minister Narasri Narendra Modi's address to the nations on occasion of 75th Independence Day. Job highlights of this week are as follows. SBI, State Bank of India invites application for recruitment of specialist cadre officers, last date 2nd September 2021. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited invites applications for recruitment of medical professionals. Last date 7 September 2021. Macon Limited. Macon India Limited invites application for recruitment of contractual engagement of professionals. Dear subscribers, we will discuss all these job highlights in details in further. Rangoji Bapu, forgotten martyr of 1857. Careers in Animation Industry, continued from page number 1. PM Sri Narendra Modi's address to the nations on 75th Independence Day. So today's first department and vacancies from Union Public Service Commission, New Delhi. Indicative advertisement number 11/2021. Online recruitment applications means ORA are invited for direct recruitment by selection process. Vacancies number 2 vacancies for the post of Assistant Director in Plant Pathology. Age limit is 35 years. 2 vacancies are unreserved and Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Second vacancy number 1 vacancies for post of Agricultural Engineering Instrumentation in Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute. Age limit 33 years. Pay scale level 7. Third vacancy number is 2108. 20 vacancies for the post of Assistant Geologist in Geological Survey of India. Ministry of Mines. Breakup like this: SC1, ST3, OBC2, EWS2, unreserved 12. Pay scale level 8. Age limit 30 years. Dear subscribers, last date of this receipt applications is by 16 September 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.upsconline.nic.in. Next vacancy and notice from Union Public Service Commission. Again, this is subject Combined Geoscientist Main Examination 2021. The written test has been of Combined Geoscientist Main Examination declared by the Commission, and the same is available on upsconline.nic.in official website. Next vacancy, Institute of Serology, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Applications are invited by email to instituteofserology@gmail.com for the post of Laboratory Technician in ICMR. That educational qualifications required for laboratory technicians candidate who have passed high secondary exams with DMLT, DLT or recognized by the statutory authority and having 2 years experience are eligible. Age limit as on 1st September 2021 is 30 years. Emolument that is a payment per month consolidated is 18,000 per month. Application should be reached within the 15 days of publication of this advertisement. For more details, please visit its official website. Next vacancy from Government of India Ministry of Defence. It is an employment notice for Jabalpur MP. Applications are invited for the following post: Lower Division Clerk means LDC, pay level 2. Group C post is the total number of vacancies 10. Civilian motor driver, pay level 2. Group C, total number of posts 8. CTI, Civilian Technical Instructor, pay level 5. Group C, number of posts 2. Steno grade 2, pay level 4. Group C, total number of posts 1. Dear subscribers, last date of this receipt for above all these posts is 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in the Employment News or local Delhi newspaper. For more details, please visit its official website www.indianarmy.nic.in. Next vacancy from CSIR, Central Electromechanical Research Institute, Karekudi, a Vigyapan number 02/2021. Applications are invited for technical assistant. Post number of posts 19 posts. Pay level will be 6. Essential qualifications for Class 1 BSc Chemistry, Physics, Microbiology, Microtechnology, Biotechnology and Computer Science and Information Technology is required. Age limit 28 years as on 27 September 2021. Second number post Technical Assistant 22 number post. Pay level 6. And essential qualifications is required: class diploma in electronics and communications engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering. Age limit 28 years. Third number post is technician. Number of posts 13. Pay level 2. Essential education qualification SSC or 10th standard with science subject with minimum 55% mark in ITI certificate or state trade certificate. Age limit 28 years. Last date of online receipt these applications is by 12 October 2021. Dear subscribers, for more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy and department from Indian Institute of Technology, Varanasi, Indian Institute of Science and Bangalore. Joint admission test for Masters 2022. It is a examinations notice, information notice. Date February to 13 by 2022 Sunday. Session forenoon and afternoon. Test paper code is BT, MS or PH. And on afternoon CY, EN, GG or MA. Dear subscribers, BT means biotechnology, CY means chemistry, E for N economics, geology GG and mathematics MA. And mathematical science means statistics means MS. So anybody wants to apply for the joint admission test for Indian Institute of Technology, they can apply. Next vacancy from SBI, State Bank of India. Recruitment of special cadre officers on regular or contractual basis. Applications are invited from Indian citizens on following post: Circle Defense Banking Advisor in Hyderabad. Grade contractual, number of vacancies 1. Second number post Assistant Manager Marketing and Communications. Grade regular, number of vacancies 4. Third number post Assistant Engineer Manager. Regular 36 vacancies. Number 4 Assistant Manager Engineer Electrical. Regular basis, number of vacancies 10. Deputy Managers Agriculture Specialist. Regular, number of vacancies 10. Relationship Manager OMP. Regular, number of posts 6. Product Manager OMP. Regular, number of posts 2. So dear subscribers, last date for filling online applications for above all these posts by 13 August 2021 to 2nd September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.sbi.co.in. Next vacancy and information from Government College of National Institute of Electronic and Transmission Information Technology, Aurangabad. It is a admission for vacant seat for MTech, Electrics, BTech, Electronics, Diploma in Electronics. So dear subscribers, please visit its official website for before 10 September 2021. Next information from Indian Council of Philosophical Research, New Delhi. Applications are invited for ICPR Fellowship Program by 2021 to 2022. Dear subscribers, maximum positions for JRF Junior Research Fellowship 60, GF PDF 15 post and SF for 4 post. Details are given on the description box. Means icpr.in, www.icpr.in. For more details, please visit its official website. 15 September 2021 are the last date for online submission of applications. Next vacancy and department from CSIR, National Chemical Laboratory, Pune. This is the advertisement number, admin ISO 01/2021. For this below all these posts means Junior Secretariat Assistant General, number of vacancies 6, means Kanisht Sachivalay Sahayak Samanya. Number of posts 6, unreserved 5, OBC 1, pay level 2, 28 years, as on 30 September 2021. Second number post, Kanisht Sachivalay Sahayak, means Junior Secretariat Assistant Store and Purchase. Number of vacancies 6, pay level 2, 28 years. Third number post, Kanisht Sachivalay Sahayak Vitt and Lekha, Junior Secretariat Assistant Finance and Accounts. Number of post 4, pay level 2, 28 years. Four number post, Junior Stenographer. Number of post 5, pay level 4, 27 years. Number 5 post, Driver. Number of post 6, pay level 2, 27 years. Below all these posts, dear subscribers, last date of receipt this online applications by 30 September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website recruit.nci.res.in. If we talk about the important dates, online applications are started. Commencement of online applications by 30 August 2021. Last date of receipt online applications by 30 September 2021. Last date receipt of hard copy applications 29 October 2021. Next vacancy and department from National Health System Resource Center. Applications are invited for eligibility candidate for the post of Senior Consultant Blood Cell NHM. For more details, please visit its official website www.mohfw.gov.in for more details. Applications should be reached by 1st September 2021. Next vacancy from Indian Air Force, means IAF. Applications are invited for eligible candidate government employees for filling up the post of Senior Scientist Assistant on deputation basis at the Institute of Aerospace Medicine, Bangalore. Name of the post, Senior Scientist Assistant. Number of vacancies 4, Physiology 2, Psychology 1, Toxicology Biochemistry 1 post. Classifications if we talk about, Group B post, non-ministerial, non-gazetted. Qualifications required, possessing the following educational qualifications: 3 years diploma in mechanical engineering or chemical engineering or rubber technology, or BSc with physics, chemistry and mathematics, or BSc honors in chemistry, mathematics, biochemistry, statistics, physiology, or BSc in psychology. 2 years experience is required. Brief description of duties: teaching to conduct, assist in research in, handle laboratories. Last date for receipt these applications from 30 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. It is offline mode, so you have to fill this form and send it in a given address. Next department, BCG Vaccine Laboratory, Chennai. It is an employment notice number. Name of the post, Stenographer, grade 1. Number of post 1, pay scale, pay level 6, pre-revised scale of pay, grade pay 4200. Eligibility for deputations. And last date of receipt these applications is 45 days from date of excluding of the first day of advertisement in the employment news. For more details, please visit his official website directbcglab.gov.in. Next vacancy from All India Institute of Medical Science, Mangalgiri, Andhra Pradesh. Recruitment for various Group A non-faculty and Group B post on deputation basis in AIIMS, Mangalgiri. So name of the post, Medical Superintendent, Group A, pay level 14, number of post 1. Registrar, Group A, pay level 12, number of post 1. Assistant Controller of Examinations, Group A, pay level 11, number of post 1. Nursing Superintendent, Group A, pay level 11, number of post 2. Accounts Officer, Group A, pay level 10, number of post 1. Librarian grade 1, Group B, pay level 7, number of post 1. Office Superintendent, Group B, pay level 5, number of post 1. So total number of vacancies are 8. Last date of this receipt applications must be reached by 27 September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website aimsmangalpuri.edu.in. Next vacancy from North Region Farm Machinery Training Testing Institute. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare. Applications are invited for the post of filling up Junior Translator, General Center, Group B post, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level 6. Please visit his official website www.agricoop.in. So friends, it is offline mode. You have to send these applications within the 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. Next vacancy from Ministry of External Affairs, New Delhi. It is the filling of post for Second Secretary Hindi and Culture in the High Commission of India in SUA on deputation basis. Educational qualifications, if we talk, master degree from a recognized university in Hindi and with English as a compulsory or elective subject or as a medium of examination at the degree level, or master degree from a recognized university in English with the Hindi as a compulsory or elective subject or as a medium of examination at the degree level, or a master degree from a recognized university in any subject other Hindi or English. So experience is required. Please visit his official website for more details. Applications biodata performa is given. You have to fill this performa and send it on the given address within the 1 month. Next vacancy from Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, a Government of India undertaking. Advertisement number 02/2021. It is applications are invited for recruitment of medical professionals. So, name of the post, Senior Medical Officers. Specialist, E2 grade pay is there. Specialization if required, and breakup of these medicines. Medicines, total number of post 9. Anesthesia, number of post 2. Radiology, number of post 1. Pediatrics, number of post 1. Pathology, number of post 3. General Surgery, number of post 3. Orthopedics, number of post 3. Gynecologist, number of post 2. Pulmonology, number of post 2. Ophthalmology, number of post 1. Total vacancies are 27. So upper age limit is on 1st August 2021 is 37 years. Senior Medical Officers Specialist E2, qualifications and experience. MBBS degree with postgraduate degree in the specialty concerned with 1 year of relevant post qualifications experience. Opening of online submission of applications by 18 August 2021 at 00:05 am. Closing of online submission of applications by 7 September 2021. Next vacancy from press notifications from Brahmaputra Board. Applications are invited for filling up of 2 posts for Deputy Director Forestry and Soil Conservation on deputation basis in Brahmaputra Board, Guwahati. Please visit his official website for more details, brahmaputraboard.gov.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Home Affairs, National Disaster Response Force. Group A, B. Applications are invited for filling up vacancies for technical posts of Group A, B and C in National Disaster Response Force on deputation basis. So, last date of all these posts is 60 days from the date of publication in the employment news. Post details are like this. Name of the post, number 1. Assistant Commandant, Assistant Engineering Civil, pay level 10, Group A, number of vacancies 14. Second number post, Assistant Commandant, Medical Officer, Veterinary, Veterinary Assistant Surgeon, pay level 10, Group A, number of vacancies 7. Third number post, Assistant Commandant, Communication and Telecom, pay level 10, Group A, number of vacancies 14. Inspector Junior Engineer, pay level 7, Group B, number of vacancies 6. Number 5, Inspector Pharmacist, pay level 7, Group B, number of post 8. Inspector Radio Operator RO, pay level 7, Group B, number of vacancies 6. Inspector Radio Machine Junior Electrical Technician, pay level 7, Group B, number of vacancies 10. Sub Inspector Pharmacist, pay level 6, Group B, number of vacancies 25. Sub Inspector Motor Mechanic, pay level 6, Group B, number of vacancies 12. Sub Inspector Veterinary, pay level 6, Group B, number of vacancies 13. Sub Inspector Junior Engineer Civil Structural, pay level 6, Group B, number of vacancies 203. Sub Inspector Junior Engineer Electrical, pay level 6, Group B, number of vacancies 250. Sub Inspector Radio Operator RO, pay level 6, Group B, number of vacancies 134. Sub Inspector Radio Mechanic Junior Electrical Telecommunication Technicians, Group B, pay level 6, number of vacancies 19. Head Constable Carpenter, pay level 4, Group C, number of post 8. Head Constable Welder, Plumber, Mason and Radio Operator or Radio Fitter Technicians, Midwife, Nursery, Pharmacist, pay level 4. Vacancies are for Head Constable Carpenter 8, Welder 11, Plumber 6, Masons number 9, Radio Operator 180 and Head Constable for Radio Fitter number of vacancies 12. Head Constable for Pharmacist number of vacancies 200 and Nursing Midwife number of vacancies 300. Head Constable for Electrician 215 vacancies, Constable Carpenter 11, Constable Welder 9, Constable Plumber 22 and Constable Masons 23 and Constable Painter 11 vacancies are there. Huge vacancies are there. So dear subscribers, if you want to apply this, you have to apply. Your applications must reach by within the 60 days from date of application of this advertisement. So friends, it is offline mode. You have to send the applications within a 2 months on the given address, DIG Establishment Headquarter, NDRF 6th floor, Building, Jai Singh Road, New Delhi. So next vacancy from Central Council Research in Homeopathy. It is a vacancies for research in Homeopathy. CCRH invites application for filling of 7 posts of upper division clerk, means UDC at the pay level 4 and deputation basis. Eligibilities and age limit is 56 years as on date of receipt these applications. So dear subscribers, last date is 11th October 2021. For more details, please visit ccrhindia.nic.in. Next vacancy from Agriculture Development Trusts, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Baramati, Pune. Name of post, Skilled Supporting Staff. Number of post 1 as per 7 CPC. Minimum essential qualifications required, matriculations or equivalent pass and 2 years of experience in garden maintenance. Last date of receipt these applications is by 30 days from date of this publication of advertisement. For more details, please visit official website kvkbaharmati.com. Next vacancy, an information from employment notice from extension date of submission of online application for the post of Junior Civil Engineer. It is hereby notified that due to administrative reason, the last date of submission of application for the post of Junior Engineer Civil has been increased, means extended up to 2nd September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website for Junior Engineer Civil Post, Kent Board Recruitment section. Next vacancy in department from again National Disaster Management Authority, New Delhi. Name of the positions, Project Coordinator. Post in natures, that is a contractual basis. Number of vacancies 3. Essential qualifications for required project coordinator is master degree in field of science, social science, master in disaster management will be preferred. Candidate should have good knowledge of English within writing and speaking skills. Post qualifications should have minimum post qualification experience of 3 years. Maximum is 40 years. Second post number is Project Coordinators IT. Contractual basis, number of vacancies 1. Essential qualifications, master degree in engineering with 2 years experience in BTech with 3 years post qualifications experience required. Maximum age 40 years up to 62 years for retired government employed. Next vacancy from Chennai Metro Rail Limited, employment notice number 08/2021. Name of the post DGM, JGM or AGM. Number of posts 2. Minimum experience required 13 to 17 years. Maximum age limit is 47 years. Second number post DGM BI. Number of post 1. Managers lifts and escalator. Number of post 1. Manager MEP. Number of post 2. Manager power system. Number of post 1. Mechanical engineer and manager electrical tractions. Number of post 1. Deputy manager tractions. Number of post 1. Deputy manager power system. Number of post 1. Assistant manager. Number of post 1. So age, qualifications and experience should be as on 18 August 2021. Age will be relaxed as deserving and experienced candidate. For more details, please visit his official website chennaimetro.org. Next vacancy from the West Bengal College Service Commission. Advertisement number 23/8. The candidates are requested to see the details website wbcsonline.in for applications for 23rd State Eligibility Test as set of West Bengal. Next information and vacancies from Engineers India Limited, New Delhi. Name of the post Technician Maintenance Mechanical. Upper age limit 30 years. Qualifications required for ITI fitter. Other criteria shall be as mentioned in the detailed advertisement number. Second number post Technician Maintain Instrumentation. Age limit 30 years. ITI in Instrumentation. Third number post Technician Maintenance Electrical. Upper age limit 30 years. ITI Electrician. Technician Laboratory. Upper age limit 30 years. BSc in Chemistry. And Plant Operators. Upper age limit 30 years. BSc in Physics Chemistry or 3 years. So friends, number of vacancies 3 and 2 respectively. Last date for receipt applications. Your applications must reach by 3rd September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website engineersindia.com. Next department, Ministry of Law and Justice Legislative Department. It is a notice extension of last date of receipt of application to the post of bearer Group C in Departmental Canteen Legislative Department, Ministry of Law and Justice. So Group C has been now further extended up to 5th September 2021. Next vacancy from Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers Limited, a Government of India undertaking, Mumbai. Name of the post Manager Finance E4 grade, all banking vacancies. Post number code 082021. Number of post 5. Age limit is 47 years for OBC and 45 years for the general. Qualifications required for Manager Finance is CA or CMA or regular full-time graduations in commerce. Post experience is required 12 years. Second post number is Chief Manager Finance E6 grade, only OBC backlog. Number of post 1. Upper age limit is for OBC 53 years. Qualification CA or CMA. Post qualifications experience required as on 1st August 2021, minimum 20 years. Third number post Officer Finance E1 grade, number of post 13 and upper age limit is 34 years for as unreserved category, for SC ST 39 years. Qualification CA CMA only. Minimum percentage, no percentage is required. Post qualifications 2 years minimum required as on 1st August 2021. So your applications must reach by 18 August 2021 to 4 September 2021. Next vacancy from ICAR, National Institute of Agriculture, Economic and Policy Research. The online interview. Name temporary post is Research Associate. Number of post 4. Salary, if we talk about the HRA and admission for master degrees, and 54,000 plus HRA. Date of online interview will be communicated through the email only. For more details, please visit his official website www.niep.icar.gov.in. Next vacancy from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi. Vacancies for various non-teaching posts. Name of post: internal audit officer. Number of vacancies 1, deputation or contract basis. Section officers. Number of vacancies 3 on deputation basis. Last date of filling of online applications by 17 September 2021. For more details, please visit the official website aud.bc.in career section. Next vacancy and job highlights vacancy from Macon India Limited. Ministry of Steels, Government of India. Recruitment of contractual engagement for professionals of full-time fixed tenure FIFT. Fixed time, full-time, fixed tenure basis. Applications are online mode only. Name of the post and area. Junior officers, MR sections, assistant executive markets, research, number of post 1 and 2 respectively. For junior officers, MR secretariat sections, qualifications required BA or BSc in any discipline. For deputy executive market, for executive market research, market research, number of post 2, essential qualifications required BE degree in MBA, PGDM or degree in engineering. Specialization in marketing or equivalent 2 years durations course. Junior officer, hospital management or assistant superintendent medical, number of post 1 each. Essential qualifications: graduation in any discipline with diploma in hospital administration, hospital management, minimum 1 year duration. Third number post administrations. Junior officer administration, number of post 1, graduation in any discipline with diploma in hotel management, hospitality management of minimum 1 year durations. Third number post IT department, junior engineer IT service, number of post 1, degree in information technology. Coal, coke and oven department, junior engineer CNC, degree in engineering, number of post 4. Corporate communications, junior officers protocol, number of post 1, graduation in any discipline. Geology, mining and assistant engineer, degree in mineral engineering, mechanical engineering. Material handling means MH, assistant engineering in material handling, assistant executives in marketing and executive marketing, number of posts are 6 for 1 respectively. HR department, personal secretary, number of posts 6. Essential qualifications: graduate in discipline with certificate course in minimum 1 year duration. City gas distributions, CGD, deputy officer CGD, number of post 4, graduation in any discipline. Environmental engineering, deputy officer chemist, number of post 3, BSc in chemistry and environmental science. Junior engineer civil, and number of vacancies are 8, 1, 5, 7 respectively. And essential qualifications for all junior engineer civil, assistant engineer civil and deputy engineer, degree in civil engineering. So friends, last date of online applications, date of submission applications will be notified on website and closing date also will be notified on website. So please visit his official website maconindialimited.com or www.maconlimited.co.in for more details and for important dates. Next vacancy from NBCC India Limited, Government of India Enterprises. Name of the post: Additional General Manager Marketing, E4. Number of post 3, which is for unreserved. Upper age limit is 45 years. Essential qualifications: full-time MBA, 2 years postgraduate diploma in management or specialization in marketing. Essential post qualifications: experience required is total 12 years experience required. Submission of hard copy for online applications form by 6 October 2021. Next vacancy from Ministry of Home Affairs, Office of the Registrar General of India. Name of the post: Office Superintendent, number of posts 60, pay level 6, pay band 2, grade pay 4200. So dear subscribers, it is offline mode. You have to fill this performa, attach all the requisite document and send it within the 30 days from the date of publications of Rozgar Samachar or employment newspaper in the advertisement. Next vacancy, a department from Ministry of Defence. Applications are invited for filling up the post for 18 posts for foreman mechanic and 8 posts for foreman ammunitions and explosive group B gazetted in pay level 7 or pay matrix level 7 CPC. So friends, it is an offline mode. You have to send it the applications within the 60 days from date of these publications on the given address, or 60 days from the date of publication of this employment news or Rozgar Samachar Patra. Next vacancy and department from Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. Name of the post: Project Scientist Assistant B. Number of post: 1 unreserved. Honorarium 46,500 include your HRA. Upper age limit 28 years for unreserved. Last date online registration by 11 September 2021. If we talk about the Scientist Assistant B design, number of post: 1 for OBC, pay level 6, maximum age 31 years. Your application should be reached by 17 September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website. Next department and vacancies or admission information from Gujarat Technological University. It is an admission notice online certificate course Indian Knowledge System. So list of courses are like this: study of Vedas, study of ancient Indian architecture, study of ancient Indian arts, music, dance, drama, paintings, study of Puran, study of Kautilya, political science, study of global footprints, study of Upanishad, study of ancient. So anyone who wants to apply this above this all courses duration is 3 months. Important dates: announcement of course by 15 August 2021. Online enrollment begins from 16 August 2021. Last date for online enrollment 21st September 2021. And session will start from 4th October 2021. Next department is from vacancy from Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Recruitment notice 1/2021 of 519 ASC Battalion. Applications are invited from the eligible Indian nationals, male candidate only, to fill up following vacancies on Group C in 519 ASC Battalion. So dear subscribers, name of the post: Labourer. Number of post: 3. Pay matrix level 1. Age limit 18 to 25 years. Essential qualifications for the post of labourer: 10th standard pass or equivalent from a recognized university or board. Category: General 1, SC 1, no OBC 1. Total number of posts are 3. Age limit 18 to 25 for unreserved, 18 to 28 for OBC and 18 to 30 years for SC/ST candidate. Age relaxations as per Government of India rules and norms. So it is an offline mode. You have to fill this performa and send it on the given address. Your application should be reached within the 30 days from date of publication of this advertisement number in employment dues and in the given address. Next department and vacancy from Ministry of Home External Affairs, Government of India Program Management Unit. Application are invited for the post of Principal Consultant and Chief Technology Officer. Number of post: 1. For more details, please visit his official website www.mea.gov.in. Dear subscribers, last date of receive these applications online by 3rd October 2021. Next department from National Institute for Empowerment of Personnel with Multiple Disabilities, Divangjan, NIPMD. It is the admission notice 2001 to 2022 for the various courses. The last date for these courses is 15 September 2021. Next vacancy and department from National Investigation Agency, Ministry of Home Affairs, New Delhi. It is a notice for deputations and absorption to the National Investigation Agency as Deputy Superintendent of Police. Post name is Deputy Superintendent of Police, DYSP. Pay band 3, pay level 10. Number of vacancies 6 posts for deputations and absorption basis. So friends, last date for receive these applications is offline mode. You have to send the applications within the 60 days from the date of publications in the item in the newspaper, in employment newspaper. Next vacancy from Government of India, Ministry of Defence, ASC Center South 2 ETC. Employment notice. Applications are invited for the post to various posts. Post details are like this: ASC Center North, civilian motor driver only for male candidate, pay matrix level 2, number of post 115. Cleaner only for male candidate, Pay level 1, number of posts 67. Cook only for male candidate, pay level 2, number of posts 15. Civilian catering instructor only for male candidate, pay matrix 2, number of posts 3. AC Center South, labor only for male candidate, pay level 1, number of posts 193. MTS Safai Wala, preferably male, pay level 1, number of posts 7. So total posts are 400. 153 for unreserved, SC for 6, ST for 104 and OBC for 100 and 37 for EWS. So 5% reserved for ex-servicemen and 4% reserved for person with physical disability. If we talk about the educational qualifications and criteria for the above all posts, if we talk civil motor driver, matriculation or equivalent from a recognized university, he must possess the valid motor driving license, should have at least 2 years experience in driving motor vehicles, knowledge of motor mechanism, should be able to remove minor defect in vehicles. Second, cleaners, essential qualifications, matriculations or equivalent from a recognized institute, should be proficient in trade. For cook, matriculations or equivalent from a recognized institute must have a knowledge of Indian cooking and proficiency in trade, desirable to have 1 year experience in trade. For the post of civilian catering instructor, essential qualifications, matriculations or equivalent from a recognized institute, diploma or certificate in catering from any recognized institutions, desirable to have a 1 year working experience in catering instructor. For the post of labor, matriculations or equivalent from a recognized institutions and should be proficient in trade. For the post of MTS Safai Wala, essential qualifications, matriculations or equivalent from a recognized institutes and should be proficient in trade. Age limits is for 18 to 25 years for all ranks. So it is offline mode. You have to fill this performa and send it to given address within the prescribed time. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy, an institute from Government of India, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, New Delhi. It is the filling of one post for Assistant Library and Information Officer on deputation basis in the Directorate of Economics and Statistics. Name of post, Assistant Library and Information Science Officer. Classifications, General Center Service, Group B Gazetted, Non-Ministerial post is there. Pay band, pay level 7. Method of recruitment, deputation basis. Initial engagement for 2 years and which may be extended for further. Eligibilities and criteria and educational qualifications. He must holding an analogous post on regular basis on with the 5 years service in post level, pay level 6. And bachelor degree in library and information science from a recognized university or institute. 2 years professional experience in a library, an statutory organization and public sector undertaking the university of recognized research or educational institutes. Desirable master degree in library and information science recognized by university or training institute. Diploma in computer applications for a recognized university or institute. So friends, it is offline mode. You have to send these applications on the given address. Performa is given. You have to type and attach all the required document and send it on the given address. The last date of receipt of these applications will be within 60 days from the date of publications of the advertisement in the employment news. Next vacancy and department from High Altitude Warfare Schools, care of 56 APU. Employment notice, name of the post, cook. It is a group C post, number of post 1. It is for general, unreserved and total post 1. Fatigue man, pay scale is pay level 1. Group C post, number of post 7. Essential qualifications, matriculations or equivalent examinations, age not exceeding 27 years and not less than 18 years. There is a scheme of examinations. There are 4 papers: General Intelligence and Reasoning, Objective Multi-Type questions, General Awareness, Objective Multi-Type choice questions, and General English, Objective Multi-Choice type questions, Numerical Aptitude objectives. So total 2 hours question is there and 150 questions is there. So friends, you have to apply. Last date of receipt these applications 30 days from date of publication of this notice in newspaper. Next department, National Anti-Doping Agency, Lal Bahadur Stadium, New Delhi. It is notice for recruitment for panel assistant in NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency. The last date of receipt this application for panel assistant 31st August 2021. It is offline mode. You have to send the applications on given address within the 31st August 2021. Directorial Merit Accommodation Project. Applications are invited for hiring service of 8 junior engineer. It is related trade from civil, electrical, mechanical and quantity surveyor. So office of the headquarter of DGMAP. For more details, please visit dgmap.gov.in for junior engineers 8 post. Next vacancy, news vacancies from ASC unit of 71 sub-area headquarter Northern Command. Recruitment notice number 02/2021. Applications are invited from eligible Indian nationals, male and candidate to fill up following vacancies Group C in ASC unit. So post of fireman. Total post 15 post. Age limit 18 to 25 years. Pay band, pay level 2. Essential qualifications for fireman: 10th standard pass from a recognized board. Must be conservant with the use of maintenance of all type of institutions, hose fittings and or fire appliances and equipments. Must be familiar with the use of maintenance, first aid, firefighting, appliance and trailer fire pump. So must know the elementary principle of firefighting. So if we talk the breakup of the 15 vacancies, so category are general, unreserved 8, SC 3, ST 1, OBC 3 and EAWS OBC 3. So friends, 10th standard pass or equivalent from recognized board for labor class. Number of post 2, it is for OBC. So there is a written test. Minimum passing marks required 33%. 4 paper will be there: general intelligence, English language, numerical aptitude and general awareness, including trade specific questions. Number of questions total are 150 and 150 marks. 2 hours duration is there. Minimum 33% passing marks. So it is offline mode applications. You have to fill this performa and send it to the given address within the prescribed time. So last date of receipt these applications is 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement notice in the employment news. So friends, you have to fill these applications and you attach all the relevant documents, IT trade certificates and educational qualifications, and attach a photo, paste a photo here and send it to the within the 21 days from date of publications. Next vacancy from Government of India, Office of the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, UP East. Sports quota recruitment 2021 is there. Name of the post: Inspector of Income Tax, Tax Assistant and Multitasking Staff. Number of vacancies for Inspector of Income Tax number 3, Tax Assistant number 13 and Multitasking Staff number of vacancies are 12. Pay level 7, 4 and 1 respectively. So friends, for more details please visit his official website incometaxindia.gov.in. Next department, National Disaster Management Authority of India. It is applications are invited for the extended date of submission of application for filling of Assistant Advisor in IT for deputation basis Senior Research Officer till 22 September 2021. Please visit his official website ndma.gov.in career section. Next vacancy from Rashtriya Electronic and सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान NIELIT. There is recruitment notice for the post of Chief Finance Officer CFO. Number of post 1, pay level 12 on deputation basis. The last date of receipt these applications, last date for receipt of applications within the 45 days from date of these publications. Please visit its official website nielit.gv.in recruitment sections for more details. Next vacancy from Department of Post, Government of India. Office of the Chief Postmaster General, Telangana Circle, Hyderabad. It is recruitment for sportsman recruitment dated Hyderabad is 16 August 2021. It is a sports quota requirement. So notifications for the recruitment of meritorious sports person in the cadre of postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman, multitasking staff means MTS in Telangana Postal Circle. So friends, scale pay we talk that the postal assistant in post office, that is a pay level 4 and as per 7 CPC. For postman and mail guard, the pay band will be pay level 3 and for MTS multitasking staff pay level will be 1. There is a probation duration and training is there. So friends, before due date you have to apply this form. So friends, last date of payment of applications fees any post of the office is 24 September 2021. Last date of receipt these applications is 24 September 2021. So friends, within the prescribed time you have to send the applications. For more details, please visit his official website tspost.in/sports recruitment. Next vacancy from Animal Welfare Board of India, Ministry of Government of India, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry. So applications are invited for filling of one post for the Secretary, Animal Welfare Board of India, Balabgarh, Haryana, in pay level 12. Pay band will be 3 as per C1 CPC revised. If we talk about the eligibility, officer under the central government holding analog post on regular basis in the parent cadre or department, or 5 years service in grade rendered after appointment there to regular basis post, pay band 3. Last date of receipt these applications within the 60 days from date of these publications in the advertisement. It is offline. You have to send the applications on the given address within the 16 days. So next vacancy is National Institute of Technology, Warangal, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Applications are invited for the post of Senior Medical Officers. Pay band 12, number of post 1, reservation on. Essential qualifications, MBBS degree or equivalent qualifications enrolls in any of the schemes of the Indian Medical Council, or postgraduate diploma, preferably MD in General Medicine. Second post is Assistant Registrar, pay level 10, number of post 1, breakup like this, unreserved 4, SC1, OBC1. Essential qualifications for Assistant Registrar, master degree in any discipline with at least 55% marks or its equivalent or grade in CGPA. Number third vacancy is Assistant Engineer, pay level 7, number of post 2, unreserved. Essential qualifications for Assistant Engineer, first class BE, BTech in Civil Electrical Engineering from a recognized university. Holding a 5 years regular service in pay level 5 as a junior engineer or its equivalent post. Number 4 post is Superintendent, pay level 6, number of post 8. Essential qualifications for Superintendent, master degree in any discipline with or at least 50% marks. Number 5 post, Technical Assistant, pay level 6, number of post 27. Essential qualifications for Technical Assistant, first class or equivalent grade BE, BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. Number post 6, Junior Engineer, pay level 6, number of post 8. First class BE, BTech in Civil Electrical Engineering from a recognized university or institute. Number 7 post, Students Activities and Sports Assistant, SAS Assistant, pay level 6, number of post 3, unreserved, first class bachelor degree in Physical Education from a recognized university or institute. Number 8 post, Library and Information Assistant, pay level 6, number of post 2, unreserved, first class bachelor degree in Science and Arts Commerce from a recognized university. Number 9 post, Senior Technician, pay level 4, number of post 19, Diploma in Engineering in Civil Electrical Mechanical Computer Science. Number 10, Technicians, number of post 34, Diploma in Engineering in Civil Electrical Mechanical Computer Science and Electronics and Communications Information Technology of 3 years duration of relevant field from a government recognized polytechnic college or institute. Number 11 post is Junior Assistant, number of post 13. Essential qualifications, Senior Secondary 10+2 from a recognized government university board or minimum typing speed 35 word per minute and proficiency in computer word processing and spreadsheets. If we talk about the online applications portal, opening of means 23rd August 2021. Closing of online applications portal 23rd September 2021. For more details for National Institute of Technology Warangal various posts, please visit its official website nitfw.ac.in. Next vacancy from it is a admission notice information for the course of Master Certificate course in Automation and Process Control, Master Certificate course in Tool Designs, Advanced Diploma in Machine Maintenance. For years, please visit his official website, and last date for issuing this above all these courses by 18 September 2020. Next is also for Institute of Rail Transport. It is a best course, apply online also. So it is for transport economics and management, multimodal transport, containerization, logistic management and rail transport management. Last date for receipt these applications, please visit his official website indianrailway.gov.in. Next vacancy from the CSI Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. It is advertisement number 03/2021. It is the post for scientist. Number of post 8, pay level 11. Upper age limit is 32 years. Second post is senior scientist. Number of post 7, pay level 12, and upper age limit is 37 years. So last date for submission of these both scientist and senior scientist is online applications start from 20 September 2021 to 30 September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.cmeri.res.in in career section, vacancy section. Advertise number 03/2021. So friends, next department is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. It is the applications are invited for the one post for the agriculture engineer in a general. Group B, non-gazetted, non-ministerial post is there at Farmery Machinery Training and Testing Institute. So last date of receive these applications within the 60 days from date of these publications. It is offline mode. You have to send the applications on the given address within the 60 days. For more details for the post of agriculture engineering, please visit his official website for more details. Next vacancy from Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. It is an advertisement for the recruitment of faculty positions. Assistant Professor Grade 2 on contract basis, Group A, pay level 10. Second post is Assistant Professor Grade 2 on contractual basis, Group A, pay level 11, and Assistant Professor Grade 1, pay level 12. So number of posts, current vacancies are total post for 80. So friends, for above all these posts, you have to apply. Your application is within the 15 September 2021. PM Sri Narendra Modi's address to the nations on 75th Independence Day continuing from page number 4. Next vacancy from Delhi Development Authority, vacancy notice. It is of name of post Chief Engineer Civil, Chief Engineer Electrical, Superintendent Engineer Civil. Number of post Chief Engineer Civil 2, pay level 14. Chief Engineer Electrical, number of post vacancy is 1, pay level 14. Superintendent Engineer Civil, number of post 4, pay level 12. Superintendent Engineer Electrical, number of post 1, pay level 12. Director Finance, number of post 2, pay level 12. Financial Advisor Housing, number of vacancies 1, pay level 12. So friends, please visit his official website dda.org.in. The application's last date is 3rd September 2021. Celebrating the hockey wizards Major Dhyan Chand. Continue from page number 1. News Digest. National News. Single-use plastic item to be phased out by 2022. India achieves 100 gigawatt installed renewable energy capacity. 4 more Indian wetlands recognized at Ramsar sites. International Digest. Taliban claims victory in Afghanistan. World leader reacts as Taliban seizes Kabul. India evacuates ambassadors, official citizens from Kabul. Economy Digest. Rupees 77.45 crore package for agricultural marketing in Northeast. New vehicle scrappage policy launched. Sport Digest. Largest even Indian contingents for Tokyo Paralympic Games. India win 15 medals at World Archery Youth Championship. So dear friends, it was the Employment News Weekly, New Delhi, 28 August to 3rd September 2021 in English in details. See you next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.